Are you fed up watching others get promoted whilst you're stuck in the exact same position you've been for a while now, even though you've got more experience? It's not fair, is it? And it's all because they've got a piece of paper that you don't. Until today, that is, as free CIR Online can now fix this for you with 100% online, self-paced courses and dedicated trainers. There are no deadlines, no lectures to attend, just real AQF-Accredited qualifications that fit around your shifts, your family, and most importantly, your life. We focus on the key components that Australian employers actually demand: leadership, cybersecurity, project management, and many more. The results speak for themselves. 90% of employers endorse us, and up to half of our graduates receive promotions or salary increases within 6 months. And that's not to mention the 75% more job opportunities available to you than to your counterparts who don't train with free CIR Online. With a 4.9 out of 5 rating from over 223 reviews, we're turning experience into career growth every single day. Courses start from just $450 with Afterpay, Zip, Klarna, and many more payment options available. So stop watching others take the spot that you should be filling. Visit freecironline.edu.au and apply now. Your promotion starts today.